I'm going to show you 2 hanger tricks today that is going to make your closet look more expensive and save all your beautiful sweaters, sweatshirts, and long sleeve shirts, along with space saving. I'm looking to clear the space right here and maximize this space right here. So after I show you these 2 tricks, I will show you the final result and how much space I was able to save with these sweaters. I'm also gearing up to do an Amazon organizational video, so make sure that you're subscribed with those notification bells turned on so you do not miss that video. Plus, I love to do giveaways. These tricks will literally take you less than 10 seconds. You're gonna have to let me know in that comments box below which one you like better. The first one you may have seen before on this channel. The second one you have not. What you're gonna do is you're gonna lay out your sweater flat like so, and then you're gonna move one side over to the other, just like this, and then you're gonna go ahead and take your hanger, put the top part here in the armpit. Now you can turn either side over the hanger. It doesn't matter which one you do first, but I prefer to do the arms and then the body of the sweater. And there we go. Look at how sleek, sophisticated, and compact that looks. And you have saved your sweater and your time because you don't have to worry about getting those ugly hanger bumps out. Let's move to the next technique right here. I like this one as well, especially for chunkier sweaters. What you want to do is just pull the arms in at the sleeve. You can see that I'm doing right. Then you're going to take your hanger, and what you're going to do, it doesn't matter, it can go this way or this way, but you want to make sure the hanger is facing, the top of the hanger is facing down, and you're going to go ahead and slide this on through. Dun, da, da, right to the middle of the sweater. There we go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip this half over, flatten it out, and then again, you have a compact space for your beautiful sweaters. Now I get about 90% of my sweaters from Amazon, so if you're interested in any of these ones that I have vetted, I will put a link in the description box for you, including this beautiful comfy one right here. Love, love, love. Now let's watch my closet transformation. Which technique do you think I'm gonna use? Dun, da, da, da. This looks so good. Sleek, sophisticated. By the way, I absolutely love these hangers. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. Super grippy. They came in multiple colors along with all these gems right here. Also, make sure that you follow along on Amazon because my husband and I do go live every single week. Now, if you want to see a viral blanket folding hack that will make your house look more expensive and also serves as a pillow, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.